welcome back. So I am sitting right outside. Let me show you. I am sitting right outside of the Dollar Tree, and I just literally walked out. I have a small haul. I didn't pick up a whole lot, but of course I want to share with you guys. And what do I always say? If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to stick around, and let's just jump right into this. You guys, they had some more gold stuff, and there's two different kinds. So they had these beautiful like pedestal type things. They're called candle holders. They look like this. As you can see, there is two different styles. This one is more squared at the bottom. See how the bottom is more squared? And then this one is more round at the bottom, and then the middles are different. But how pretty are these? Oh my goodness. So I'm not going to take them all out, but I did buy multiples. And what I'm thinking, or what I have in mind, was when I seen them, I was thinking maybe take some glue and glue them like this, you know, so it'll be a bigger holder. You can put a plate on top for a cake stand, or you can put a cylinder glass on top like a hurricane and make it into like a bigger candle holder, and then maybe have another one right next to it, have it smaller or something. But these were just too pretty to pass up. So like I said, I bought multiples of these. I'm not going to take them all out, but I had to get them. I saw some new stationery that, you know, Dollar Tree is good for putting in new stationery and everything. So I picked up the cards. These are 8-note cards with envelopes, and can you see that really good? Look at that. It has the deer head on the front, and then it has the floral print inside of it. Really pretty, and the background is like faux wood. So I'm trying to make sure you get a good look at that. That is so pretty. So I picked those up. Then I got the matching notepad and pen, and the pen is like that. And there's the deer head at the bottom in the corner, and the pen is gray with polka dots and floral on it. Really, really pretty. And then I also picked up the mini clipboard like that, and it also has like the faux wood on the back with the floral pattern on it. So cute. And yeah, there was something else. What was it? Oh, it was the magnetic list pad, but I didn't pick up one of those. Then I grabbed this flashlight and bottle opener keychain. I just thought it would be handy because it's a flashlight and a bottle opener that you could put on your keychain. So I picked up one of these. I don't have to even explain about the candles. They had some more candles. I picked up 3 of the new fragrances that I seen, and I'm going to give them a try. I did open them in the store. They smell really, really good. So I'm going to see if I like them or not. This one is Sparkling Snowflake, and they are in the mason jar. And you guys know I always talk about these in these little mason jars because there's always a few out of the bunch that is really, really good. And then, you know, so it's kind of like hit or miss. So this one was the Sparkling Snowflake, so I'm going to give that a try. Then the other Christmas one I saw was Holiday Holly Berry, like that, and it's red. And then the last one is not Christmas related, but I could not pass it up, and it is Pineapple Upside Down Cake, and it smells good in the jar, so I have really high hopes for this one. And just randomly grabbing stuff out the bag, I did pick this up. It looks so crazy. It's called Stink Bugs. It looks like this, and they had some new toys out. I think I took a picture of the other 2 things that I saw. I know there was some magic sets, which would be really good as stocking stuffers for little boys or girls, but really for little boys. There was some magic sets and some nice big boxes. But I did get this one called Stink Bugs, and it has like this little thing right here and a container underneath it that I guess you're supposed to put the bug in there, and it's supposed to puff out some kind of stinky smell. I don't know, something that a little boy would love. So I think Pooh Bear is going to get a kick out of this. It says Parasite Pack, Garbage Gang, and it has a nasty gnat, a puke pincher, icky itcher, like just little stinky bugs or whatever like that, and it has them on the bag. I just thought this was funny and cute and stinky all at the same time, so I picked one up. This is a repurchase. I always like to keep this, the precision screwdriver set. This comes in so handy when you have an emergency, and to get these tiny screwdrivers for $1 is definitely a good find, especially coming from somebody that worked for years in Home Depot. If you can get these little ones like this for $1, you might want to keep you some in the house, because these come in really handy when I'm dealing with like Pooh Bear's toys that need new batteries. You know how they have the tiny screws or whatever. So yeah, I always keep these around. I do have a set at home. I know it's probably going to be weird, but I'm actually going to keep this one in my glove compartment for an emergency. So I picked this one up. And in my last bag, I went back and I picked up some of the stuff that I showed in my previous video that I didn't actually purchase. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of the toothbrushes. The one that is made out of bamboo and the other one is out of cornstarch. So I picked up these 2 just to give them a try. No particular reason. I did pick up one of the eyelashes. I just want to see how they're going to be, because sometimes the LA colors can be too full. For me, I like my eyelashes to kind of look like really natural whenever I do wear them. I like that more natural look. I do see that at the end it has a longer strip, so I'm going to have to cut that. But I just wanted to give these a try to see if I'm going to like them. I got the mint and strawberry lip balm. When I left that, I was thinking after I left and I did the video, I was like, I forgot to pick that up. So I definitely wanted to go back and get this one. And I did get the 2 lip glosses, the purple one and the pink one, because I thought these looked really pretty. Did they have names? They don't have names on them. The colors don't have names. I was looking on the bag. And then I got this one in the nude and more of like that dusty rose or whatever color that's called. I picked up that set. And as far as the mascara, I did get one of each because I just want to see if I'm going to like these. And it's in very black, and then the other one is just regular black. And the last thing that I have to share with you guys was one of the Glow Now liquid highlighters. I picked this up. Now, the reason why I picked this up, because I have enough highlighters. I was watching on YouTube. I can't remember. It was just, you know how stuff pops up when you're watching. You might be watching a makeup video, and then off to the side, you see recommendations. I was watching something, and it was a young guy that had made some skin illuminator spray or something like that, where he took like a liquid highlighter, and I forgot what he mixed it with, and he put it in like a little spray bottle. And so like when you're wearing shorts or your short sleeves or whatever, you just spray it on you, and it kind of gives you that glow. And I know other companies sell that stuff for, you know, it can be pretty pricey, but he did like a little knockoff, and it was pretty. So I picked this up because I'm eventually give that a try. I'm gonna make my own little spray, even though we're in winter. Yeah, I just wanted to try it out, so I picked up one of these. And that is it, you guys, for this small haul. I don't know, I may go back out tomorrow because I'm at a store that I normally don't really go to. So I really honestly went in there to get these. I needed some styrofoam cups, and so that's kind of how I ended up picking up the rest of this stuff. But I'm happy I did, because I'm really in love with these things right here. So that's it. Maybe I'll go back out tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Monday. It's holiday, so no school for the kids, so I'll probably be back out again. And if I do, and if I find anything, then look forward to another Dollar Tree haul or a walkthrough. You never know. But thank you for watching. I hope you guys are all having a beautiful Sunday, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.